Today I'm going to be showing you guys a super easy way to elevate your food to the next level. Whether you're cooking chicken or fish or steak, it's alright, but sometimes it can get boring, it can get bland, especially when you have it multiple times a week. So with this technique, you're going to have something fresh and flavorful every single time you cook. So normally what people do to improve their cooking is adding sauces. So if you're making a chicken breast, you would make a pan sauce. Maybe if you're making fish, you would make a lemon butter sauce, for example. And those are delicious. But the one issue with sauces is, number one, they can be time consuming. Number two is all the added calories, because they're delicious. Barbecue sauce, cream sauces, butter sauces, they're delicious, but they're full of sugar and they're full of calories. With this technique, you're gonna get a lot of flavor into your food without all the extra calories. So what I'm going to be showing you today is a very simple recipe for making mango salsa. So today I'm making chicken, so I'm going to be making a mango salsa. If I was cooking fish, maybe I would do a strawberry salsa. If I was cooking steak, maybe I would do a kiwi salsa. The point is, there's a bunch of different variations you can do, but you can use this recipe and then just substitute the mango for strawberries or kiwis or really anything you want.
Okay, so the first thing we need to do is take a couple mangoes and we're gonna cube them up. So what I like to do is just cut the flesh of the mango away from the pit, and then you can just dice up the mango while it's still connected to the skin, and then just cut the flesh away from the skin like so. Alright, so to that mixture we're gonna add in some finely diced red onion. You don't have to go too crazy with the red onion, I just used about a quarter of it. Or you can use more red onion depending on how much you like it. Alright, in addition we're going to add in some peppers. I'm using some red and orange peppers here. Just cut them into strips and then cube them up. I like to add some tomatoes too. That just adds a lot of acidity and freshness to the salsa. Alright, so to that mixture we're going to add in a little bit of honey. And add in a couple dashes of Worcestershire sauce. And I had some leftover parsley, so I added that to it as well. And then of course we're going to season it with a little bit of salt and pepper. And just to help combine everything together, I added in a little bit of olive oil as well. So go ahead and give that a mix and use it to top off chicken, top off steak, top off fish. This is so versatile. And like I said, you can change it up and use pretty much any fruit you want. It adds a lot of flavor to any dish you're making. Give it a try.